guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We're going to be peeling back the curtain on content creation and being a full-time creator, and I'm going to share exactly how much YouTube paid me in 2024. I'm going to be bearing it all to you guys. I'm going to share exactly how much I made every month, my most high performing videos of 2024, my highest earning videos, because those two things don't necessarily correlate all the time. I'm just going to get into the nitty gritty of it all. I find this stuff so fascinating, not only as a creator myself, but also as a viewer. I am here to satisfy those nosy Nellies. I feel like there's so much intrigue around social media and like how it actually works, the behind the scenes. Even if you have no interest in being a creator yourself, I love learning about other people's jobs, and this has been my full-time job for almost 12 months now, which is crazy. In saying that, it's been a hobby for like 12 years. It's really only in the last 12 months that I've made it like my full-time career, for lack of a better word, which is so weird to say still. I really do feel like I'm living my dream life every single day. But yeah, I've seen a few videos like this floating around online, and I find it so interesting seeing other people's analytics and what videos worked well for them and looking at the RPM. I, believe it or not a numbers girl. Love talking about money, love budgeting, not a numbers girl. Any analytics, absolutely not. And so compiling all this information and looking at my own analytics has shown me I should probably do that a little bit more often. I actually should. There's a lot that can be learned from looking at this kind of stuff. Yeah, I so wish that there was a video like this when I first started out, just to know what to expect or know what could be, especially as a smaller creator. I'm not a big fish kind of gal. In the grand scheme of things, I'm a very small creator, but this is still become my job. And I will say this is just one of my income streams. It's only in the last couple of years when I've diversified my following and taken it to other platforms, really diversified my income streams, that I've been able to take this full time. If anything were to happen to YouTube, I've got other income sources to fall back on. So bringing it back to basics, and this is like a very basic explanation because I am not an expert. I barely understand this myself, but as YouTubers, when you join the partnership program and you start earning money, how much you earn is based on your RPM. What does RPM even stand for? Actually couldn't tell you. Revenue per mil? Yeah, revenue per milli. Basically, it's how much money you make per 1,000 views. Now, I feel like there's this really big misconception that the more subscribers you have, the more views you have, the more money you're gonna make. And yes, that can be true, but there are also a ton of different variables that go into your RPM. Things like your demographics, your content niche, the time of year you're posting, all those things affect your RPM, because at the end of the day, the advertisements that run on your video have everything to do with those variables. Also the length of your video. The longer the video, like the more ad placements, the more you could potentially make. So a ton of different variables. There will be some creators that have incredible engagement, a really specific niche, a really specific demographic, and they could make potentially thousands more than someone with like 100k more subscribers. Yeah, subscribers and views aren't necessarily everything, and everyone has a different RPM, and your RPM changes. I find my RPM is a little bit lower at the beginning of the year because obviously coming off the back of Christmas, there's less ads, there's a smaller budget. Just to give you an idea, my RPM as of this month is $18.72. We are in the month of January, and my average RPM last year was $24.31. There were some months it was a lot higher, more towards like 30, and then months like in January where it was $18, $19. So taking it back to January, I uploaded 7 times this month, which go off queen. I got 103,800 views in the month of January. My top 3 performing videos were my financial reset for 2024, which is like pretty standard. I feel like everyone's in that new year, new me kind of mindset. My first week in the life for 2024, just like a weekly vlog that got 11,000 views, and my 2024 reset, which is like the goal setting vision board side of things. My average RPM this month was $21.12, and I made a total of $2,190.34. I'd say this is like pretty standard. As my channel's kind of grown over the last 12 months, I feel like my average revenue has changed a little bit, but this is like a good baseline. I did upload 7 times though, so. In February, I made 6 uploads. I feel like that's like my standard. I got 106.1k views. My top 3 videos this month were I quit my job, week in my life video, that got 18,364 views. I feel like anything with a thumbnail of me crying is gonna do well. Also any big life change, I feel like naturally people want to tune in, and it was a life change, that's for sure. I really feel like that was the catalyst for a lot of things in my life, and a lot of things in my job and my social media, and just like, yeah, life in general, was that decision. And you guys saw it in real time. My second most viewed video was my February monthly reset, which was uploaded in January. That got 16,893 views in February. And then my third most viewed video was my payday routine, which I uploaded on the 25th of Feb. And remember this video because you'll probably see it a lot. My RPM this month was $23.77, and I made $2,519.83. Then we have March. In March, I only uploaded 5 times for whatever reason. I don't know. I don't know. I literally had just quit my job, so I don't know what my excuse was. Oh, I was traveling. I feel like traveling always throws my schedule off a little bit. We uploaded 5 times. My top performing video was the one I uploaded in February, my payday routine. That got 28,313 views in March. Second was my money diaries video. I kind of saw the momentum with my payday routine. I was like, oh, let me answer some questions, see what else I can do with like this momentum that I'm getting from this video. And so yeah, I talked about our emergency fund, business income, did like a little budget check-in. And then the third most viewed was just like a vlog. My first week as a full-time content creator, and I got 11,627 views. I feel like that's pretty standard for most of my vlogs. This month, my RPM was $23.50 and I made a total of $2,780.87. Even though I uploaded one less video in March, I still made more money and I still got more views because I was running off the back of the success of the video that I posted last month. And that's the thing with YouTube and like the algorithm. It is a mystery to me, but there are some videos that I upload that maybe don't do the best right away for whatever reason, and then they'll suddenly pop up in like my top most performing videos the next month. And you really have no idea. Like there are some videos that just randomly get a lot of traction out of nowhere, and it's like, oh, I completely forgot I uploaded this. April was a bit of a flop month for me, if I'm being honest. This was the peak of my traveling era. I did a brand trip and then I went to the US for 3 weeks, and I just like wasn't prepared with my uploads. Also, sometimes my travel content doesn't do the best initially, and then it will like pick up later down the track because it's like searchable content. Not everyone that's subscribed to me is here for the travel content, and I fully respect that. So yeah, April was a bit of a weird month. I got 94.8k views. My top performing video, say it with me, my payday routine, that got 17,815 views, so slowing down a little bit, but still good. Second video was my no spend week, and then the third video was a vlog. My RPM was pretty decent this month. It was $21.67, and I made a total of $1,918.68. In May, we were back on our ish. I uploaded 6 times. We got 104,900 views, which just seems to be my standard. This is what I mean. Like, I really should pay more attention to this. If someone said, how many views do you make per month on YouTube? I would actually have no idea. Now I do. This is enlightening. A great exercise for us all. My top performing videos this month. Oh, okay. Well, this is sad. My top performing video was my miscarriage video. Oh my God, why do I feel like crying? Jesus. Nearly dropped that. That was my top performing video. Love that. Again, a thumbnail with me crying. Like, if you're not clicking on that, I don't know what you're clicking on. Yeah, that was a super hard video to make, but one that I'm so proud of making. I've watched it recently and I'm like, wow. It feels almost like an out of body experience. Like, I know that's me and I know that's something I've gone through, but now I'm like so far removed from that. And like it's been, you know, 6-7 months. I can like watch back on it with a different lens, and I'm just like so proud of myself for being so vulnerable in that moment. Like, it was still very raw, very fresh. It'd been like a week and a half or something when I made that video, and it was still very raw. Like, I was still very much recovering physically, mentally, emotionally. The amount of comments and messages that I've received from other women that have gone through a similar thing or are going through a similar thing or have since gone through a similar thing is heartbreaking, but it's so like, I'm so proud of myself for opening up that conversation, making it less of a taboo topic, because in the moment it feels like the most isolating thing. Like, that's the only thing that brought me comfort, was watching other people's experiences and seeing that I wasn't alone. And so I'm hoping that that video brought someone else a bit of peace or comfort in a time of need. It's also just like a bit of a celebration. I shared what I was hoping would be like this beautiful, exciting moment that I was going to share with the world. Like Nick and I finding out that we were going to have a baby for the first time. I am so glad that I captured that, and I'm so glad that I kept those clips in, because I was robbed of that experience. I was robbed of that celebration. Now I can like look back on it and be like, oh, that was a very special moment. Anyway, got a bit deep there, sorry. That was my most high performing video. That feels very fitting given the month that I had. Second most viewed video, my payday routine, that got 14,214 views. And then my third video was my May money reset. I was away traveling at the beginning of May, so I uploaded this one mid-month. It definitely didn't perform as well as my resets normally do. In May, my RPM was $23.60, and I made a total of $2,464.07. Interestingly, even though my miscarriage video was like my highest performing video, it wasn't my highest earning video. My LA and my New York vlogs made more money, which is interesting. Probably because of like the content. Again, it comes back to that niche. Like, do advertisers want to put ads on a video about a miscarriage? Probably not. It's not really ad friendly. In June, I got 91.8k views, so 15k less than last month, but I actually made more money, which just goes to show like there's so many variables. The length of my videos, the content, maybe there was more ad money in June versus May. Like there's so many different variables. My top performing videos, this was a very vlog heavy month. I was really trying to like navigate this grief and like dealing with the loss and also like showing up online. And the best way that I could do that was like vlogging and just like diving straight back into work. I'm really bringing you along for the journey of me healing. So my top performing video was a vlog. My first home vlog, aka my mortgage is $4,000, so let's enjoy it. Iconic title, and just a weekly vlog. This month my RPM was $27.14, so the highest it's been all year, and I made $2,481.41. And I only uploaded 5 times in June. In July I uploaded 6 times. This month I made 136.9k views. My highest performing video was my July budget with me that got 33,500 views. That was like my big debt-free exciting announcement when we paid off our car loan. Second most viewed video was my mid-year reset, and then third was a home vlog. This month my RPM was $22.50, and I made $3,071.12. So my highest revenue month, I think, so far. My top earning video was actually not even in the top most viewed. It was my spend the week with me when I went to the Gold Coast. That was a 32-minute long vlog, so a little bit longer than normal. Again, comes down to those variables. Now we're in August. In August, I uploaded 5 times. I got 134.5k views. My top videos were my debt-free journey, which got 24,000 views, my August monthly reset, and a home vlog. This month, my RPM was $21.19, and I made a total of 28,000, Jesus, I wish. Why do I keep saying 20? $2,843.73. So still, you know, chugging along, ticking along. September, still sticking with my 6 uploads for the month. If there's one thing I am, it is a consistent queen. I'm sticking with my weekly uploads. I got 123.6k views. My top video was my September monthly reset that got 15,000 views. My no spend challenge, which got 15,000 as well. And my answering questions I've been avoiding, which got 14,389 views. This month, my RPM was $26.70, and I made a total of $3,290.25. Slay. Get it, girl. I think I just like had consistently good views this month. Like most of my videos this month got over 12,000 views. October was the month I went to Europe, so this was another travel month for me. I uploaded 5 times. I got 110,800 views. My top videos this month were my October budget. That one got 21,000 views. Another home vlog. You guys love the home vlogs. And a money diaries video. My RPM this month was $28.04. So even though I only uploaded 5 times this month, I still made $3,098.96. Oof, November was not a great month. I uploaded 4 times, including a short, just to like give you something. I was trying to redeem myself somehow. I got 90.2k views. My top video was a vlog after my Europe trip. You guys love when I come home and get back into routine. And that was also the vlog where we picked up Elsie. Everyone loves big life events. New puppy, so cute. My RPM, however, this month was the highest so far. It was $32.28. So even though I kind of flopped with the uploads, 4 uploads this month, way less views than normal, I still made $2,778.38. So I really cannot complain. And that brings us to December. Now in December, I took a bit of a break from social media. I basically took off from mid-December till the end, right at the very end. That's when I upload like all my reset content. So I knew we weren't going to be going out with a bang. It was going to be a lower revenue month. In December, I got 124.7k views. My top performing videos were my December reset that got 20,000 views. My 2025 ultimate reset, I uploaded that, mind you, on the 30th of December, and that got 18,706,000 views. And then my third performing video was a short, a YouTube short that got 11,991 views. That's what happens when you don't upload. Your shorts outperform your regular videos. Stunning, love that. This month, my RPM was $22.40, and I made a total of $2,220.58. So that is everything I made each month on YouTube. I think it's so interesting seeing how much it varies. No 2 months are the same. Like, yes, there's kind of a ballpark figure that you can budget for and expect if you stick to your normal uploads, but like the algorithm is completely out of your control. I thought to finish things off, I would give you guys the overall figure, so how much I made on YouTube as a total. Before I do, I quickly wanted to share my top 5 most viewed videos and my top 5 highest earning videos, because the two don't necessarily match. So starting with my 5th most viewed video this year was my debt-free journey. 4th place, we have my July budget with me video. 3rd place, my how to budget and actually save money video, 44.3k views. 2nd place was my financial reset for 2024. That got 41.4k views. And drumroll please. In 1st place, this will probably come as no surprise, my most viewed video of 2024 was my payday routine. That made over 100,000 views. Now, in comparison with my highest earning videos, this was not even in my top most viewed videos. My 5th highest earning video was my December reset that I just uploaded last month. That video made $682.35. In 4th place, we have my how to budget and actually save video. In 3rd place, we have my financial reset for 2024. That made $835.80. Now, my 2nd highest earning video was only just in my top 10 most viewed of the year. It was literally number 10, and that is my no spend challenge. The one that I uploaded, I think when did I upload that? September. That video made $896.93. And then of course, my highest earning video was my most viewed video. That was my payday routine, and I made $1,664.54, which brings the total that YouTube paid me in 2024 to $31,666.90. So that is 2024 in a nutshell. I think if anything, this has shown the volatility and the ups and downs of social media income and like how much it can really vary. As someone that uploads pretty consistently and doesn't get a huge variation in views, like I don't have like a viral video necessarily on my channel. It's like very slow, steady growth. I think this video is proof that no 2 months are the same, just as like no two creators are the same. Someone could have the exact same amount of subscribers, get very similar amount of views, and make an entirely different amount because there are so many variables. But yeah, I enjoyed making this video so much. It's always fun looking at the analytics. Like I said, I should probably look at this a little bit more because I feel like I can learn a lot from this. I'm always in two minds about it though, because I feel like if I get too into the numbers, I'll become obsessed with them. And then it just becomes like too calculated and like not authentic and not fun. Like I want to upload content that I enjoy making and that you guys enjoy watching at the end of the day. There's definitely content that I could make just for the views, but that's not authentic to me and like what I want to do with my channel. It's also a way to grow and like, yes, potentially make money, but is it good for the longevity of your channel? Probably not, right? Slow, steady growth it is. Anyway, I hope this video was interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of the behind the scenes and the nitty-gritty numbers. Gives you a bit of an insight into how much maybe some creators make online, or maybe they don't. Like I said, every creator is a little bit different. This is literally just what I made this year. And as great as $31,000 is, like that is nothing to sneeze at. It's not paying the bills, you know? And the only reason I can do social media full time now is because I have other sources of income and I don't have to rely on this solely. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other videos you want to see from me, let me know. I love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye guys.